Hello. Oh, she Queen what? Queen Elizabeth the First? No. Yeah? No?
Well, my doctor has prescribed me a diet food. Well, he says if I eat this diet food, I will lose weight. But it has not happened. I eat the diet food, I eat my ordinary meal, I have not lost weight. I do not. Surely not. Surely not.
Probably that's the problem.
Hello, good morning. May I know you? Because I do not know the local history. Maybe you can introduce
I am
yourself.
Queen Victoria.
Hello, Queen. Nice to meet you. How are you this morning?
I am very well, thank you. Very well.
Yeah, would you like to come to this, your colony?
Oh.
Your former colony.
Oh, indeed.
Yes, this is from Malaysia.
A former colony?
Yes.
Surely not a former colony.
Oh, maybe it's during your time it's still a colony. Yeah? So these are the
how
Malaysian
very
pandan
nice.
cakes.
Oh,
It's
how
made from a
very
leaf.
interesting.
Yes.
During your time it became a colony.
Yes, it probably did. Probably did. Yes,
and
how
they've got
very nice.
Peanut cookies.
Oh, how very jolly.
And dragon balls from the east.
Oh,
Yes.
one would not want to eat dragons, surely.
No dragons were harmed. I just harvest their balls. I just
No
squeeze the
dragons
balls.
were harmed in
Yeah, I
making
just
these
squeeze.
balls.
Yes, I just squeeze the balls. That's all.
Oh, how very quaint.
Yeah, thank
Yes,
you.
so nice
to meet
see
you.
you.
Thank you.
Oh, very pretty mosaic.
And that's the consort.
Oh, Sir Henry.